Yeah, I loved it. I learned so much. I had a good time. I actually quite liked all the articles that you sent me beforehand.
Oh, thank you.
I like the philosophy behind like street photography and like how to think about like um, what you're creating. But yeah, I also just learned so much about like how to position myself when shooting, and I have more courage now to like take better shots from better angles, more central, and then.
As the first time in Mexico, it was really useful to see the right places to go, to be in the middle of everything that is interesting. And Alex is a really good actually teacher and actually make you think of the right thing to shoot and things that I may have missed. So we've got a pretty different style in photography, but I've learned a lot. So